So, hello dear students, once again you're welcome in this online class. I am present here once again with another new topic, and that one is very important, is letter writing. You will be familiar with this letter writing, but today we will discuss mainly about the formal and informal letter. So first of all, we will try to know whom do we call letter, how do we write letter, what is the purpose behind letter writing. So as we know that this is the ancient mode of writing, communication. In very earlier of the days, people used to communicate their feelings, their message with the help of letter. They always try to transmit their message to the next person with telegram, with letter. So here today our discussion will be about letter writing. So what is letter? So here letter is written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. तो लेटर जो होता है यह रिटन हैंड रिटन भी हो सकता है, प्रिंटेड भी हो सकता है, जो हमारे संदेश को किसी व्यक्ति विशेष या किसी संस्था को डायरेक्ट करता है, कम्युनिकेट करता है, ट्रांसफर करता है. सो दिस इज नोन एज लेटर. So how many types of letters are there? So there are so many criteria of letter writing. So basically there are formal letter, informal letter and business letter. So today we will discuss about the format of some letters. So this is the format of letter writing which is very popular in this time. So first of all there will be heading. So this is heading of letter, then greeting, salutation, then body of the letter, and after closing and signature. These are the important section in letter writing. So this one would be here. Both the format are correct. So you are free to choose this one or that one. No problem. So before writing a letter, you must have keep in mind some points. First point is examine the tone of the letter to which you are going to respond. आपको यह माइंड में रखना होगा कि आप लेटर किसको लिख रहे हैं. दैट वन इज अ फ्रेंडली लेटर टू सम ऑफिसर्स, ऑलवेज यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. एंड सेकेंड वन, आइडेंटिफाई योर ऑडियंस एंड पर्पस in order to determine the type of letter you will write, formal or informal. So as I told you that there are two types of letter, formal and informal. So you have to identify whether this one is formal letter or informal letter. तो आपको पहचानना होगा लेटर लिखने से पहले कि ये फॉर्मल है कि इनफॉर्मल है. एंड टू एनालाइज योर रीडर. हु इज योर रीडर? हु इज गोइंग टू रिसीव योर लेटर? You have always to discuss about it. Will my reader be favorable or unfavorable, disposed to what I am going to say? And third, what impression do I want my letter to make on reader? So these are the key points you have to always keep in your mind while writing a letter. So this is letter mechanics. Pronouns. In letter we always use so many pronouns. So while writing letter, formal letter, personal letter, always you have to use these personal pronouns: I, he, she, it, we, they, you. These are very important. In a letter, do not refer to yourself in the third person by using the writer. And third, it is perfectly natural and appropriate to refer to yourself as I and to the reader as you. So these are the pronouns we should always use in letter writing. So next, letter mechanics. We always be attentive and focused on. Be focused. So this is key point. Always try to be very focused. Write concise and purposeful letter. Do not write confused over long letter. Do not be rude. Do not try to impress with your writing. I please very thank you. कहने का मतलब है आपको हमेशा अपने थीम को, जो लेटर की थीम है, उसको बिल्कुल सेंट्रलाइज करना होगा. और उसके बाद लेटर राइटिंग शुड नॉट बी वेरी बल्कि, मीन्स लेंदी. आपका लेटर ज़्यादा लेंदी नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी मीनिंगफुल, पर्पसफुल. And third point, do not write confused over long letter. So you have not to use so many confusing words. And number fourth, do not be rude. Always try to be something polite while writing a letter. Never use words which hurts other person. And next point, do not try to impress with your writing, and never try to be more and more polite, and don't use to try repeated words like please, very thank you. These are wrong method. This is overlapping. This is wrong method. So never try to apply all these method. Never try to impress with your writing. So this is all about informal letter. Informal means these are the letters which keep us in touch with family and friends. Means the letters which are always delivered to our family or friends, that one is known as informal. So while writing this one, you have to keep in mind this is the format. We need to communicate a lot of information. When we want to communicate something that is difficult to say face to face, to make some special occasion. So these are the informal letter, always written on some special occasion to transmit our well-being about someone, to a relative. So those are known as informal letter, written to our friends and colleagues or family members. Formal letter. So our main focus is formal letter. So let us see minutely what is formal letter. So formal letters are letters to people whom we don't know on personal level. So these are the letter always delivered to those person whom we don't know about much at personal level. So while writing such kind of letter, you have to find out information about that person, or to apply for job you have to collect more and more information about the company. Latest formats. So these are the latest format before you. First one, semi block style. Modified block style and full block style. So these are the three styles. You are free to adopt any one of them, but here in this modern time this full block style is very popular. Each and every line of the letters always tally with each other. So this is the very popular style, full block style. But here both are also correct. You can adopt any one of them. So this is the format and style of the letter. And this one here on the top, we always write our address starting with number, whether it should be street number, flat number, etc. So always keep in mind that on the top of the letter you have to write your address. Then after you have to pick up date line. Then third, designation or the post of the person to whom you wanted to deliver that letter. And next, salutation. Then text of the body of the letter, and then closing and your signature. So these are the points mentioned in every format of the style. In all, each and everything have been mentioned. So you have always keep in mind while writing letter all these sections of letter. So here, block letter style. So as I told you, this is the heading. So this is the heading given on the top. It contains the return address, 2 or 3 lines followed by line with the date. कहा जा रहा है कि ये जो है रिटर्न मीन्स योर एड्रेस यहाँ पे होता है, जहाँ पे कुछ 2-3 लाइनें होती है जिसमें जो लाइन स्टार्ट होती है वो डेट से स्टार्ट होती है. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज inside the letter, and here there's would be address you are sending the letter to, include titles, name and address. तो यहाँ पे जो है जिस कंपनी या जिस ऑनर्स को ये लेटर आप लिख रहे हैं उसका डिजिग्नेशन, टाइटल्स, नेम एंड एड्रेस विल बी हेयर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ग्रीटिंग. सो हेयर देयर वुड बी salutation like dear doctor, and you can also select some other title. And number 4th, that one is the body of the letter. So this is the main point, body of the letter, and this is also divided into 3 sections. And number 5th, closing of the letter, and this begins with the capital letter and ends with the comma. तो ये जो कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होती है और साथ साथ कॉमा से बंद होती है. And finally there would be signature of the writer who writes the letter. There will be signature of that person. So these are the format of formal letter. So what will be the content of formal letter? Content क्या होता है, हमें यह समझ में नहीं आता कि हम आखिर लेटर में लिखें क्या, तो उसके बारे में हम चर्चा कर लेते हैं. जो बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर जिसे बोला जाता है, दिस वन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 पैराग्राफ. सो हेयर देयर इज फर्स्ट वन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. इन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ शुड बी शॉर्ट एंड स्टेट द पर्पज ऑफ द लेटर, टू मेक एन इंक्वायरी, कंप्लेंट, रिक्वेस्ट, समथिंग इट इज. तो कह रहा है कि जो पहला पैराग्राफ हमारा जो बॉडी का होता है, लेटर बॉडी का होता है, वहाँ पे हम बिल्कुल स्टेट होने चाहिए. हमको बिल्कुल स्टेट होकर जो है उस चीज़ को लिखना चाहिए. Whether there is inquiry, complaint or request or something about. The paragraph or paragraphs in the middle of the letter should contain the relevant information behind the writing of the letter. और जो बीच का पैराग्राफ होता है उसमें रिलेवेंसी होती है कि लेटर आपने जो लिखा है वह रेलिवेंट क्या है, क्यों रेलिवेंट है, व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड राइटिंग दिस लेटर. यू हैव टू मेंशन इन दिस सेकेंड पैराग्राफ ऑफ द लेटर. And most letters in English are not very long. Always keep in mind while letter writing, you should always be something witty. Always try to write letter concise. मेरा बहुत छोटा लिखना पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा बड़ा लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to always write here only essential things and try to be concentrate on the organizing it इन अ क्लियर एंड लॉजिकल मैन. बिल्कुल आपको क्लियर होना पड़ेगा, बिल्कुल लॉजिकल होना पड़ेगा. और हमारा लेटर बहुत बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि नहीं होना चाहिए, बल्कि बहुत ही कंसाइज होना चाहिए, बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट वुड बी इन लास्ट पैराग्राफ, The last paragraph of formal letter should state what action you expect the recipient to take the referred send you information. So here there is last paragraph. In this one you have to write down, state what action you expected from the recipient. तो लास्ट पैराग्राफ होता है उसमें आप लिखना इसको इसमें यह लिखा जाता है कि आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं रेसिपिएंट से. सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन शुड बी हियर इन लास्ट पैराग्राफ. So this is the sample of formal letter as I told you earlier. Formal letter. So here you can feed your address in right side or left side. You are free to do so. So here starting with the number, as you can see here, 14 Plowden Road, Thakri, Devons, and this is the address of recipient. And salutation, dear sir or madam, and this is the body of the letter, and closing yours faithfully, and signature. So in this manner you can write a complete letter, suitable letter in your examination, which can get good marks. So there are some things to be always remembered while writing letter. How you are writing the letter will depends on your relationship with the recipient, whether that one is formal or informal. You have to decide first of all. यूज अ कम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज. क्लोजिंग जो होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल कम्प्लीमेंट्री होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि फॉर्मल लेटर लिख रहे हो आप इनफॉर्मल लेटर के कम्प्लीमेंट्री वर्ड्स यूज़ कर दिए, या इनफॉर्मल लेटर लिख रहे हो तो उसमें फॉर्मल लेटर्स के कम्प्लीमेंट्री वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, नहीं. सो दिस इज़ वेरी क्रूशल पॉइंट. वी ऑलवेज कमिट मिस्टेक हेयर, just like yours sincerely. Always type yours, not only your. Yes is also should be there, and don't use inverted. And kindest regards, best wishes in formal letter. So yours is correct one. Never use apostrophe. Yours sincerely, yours faithfully. And here most of the student commits mistake by writing yours, by using apostrophe s with yours. This is incorrect. Right one is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, etc. So this was the letter we have discussed today. I hope this will get some good marks in your UT examination, in your S7 examination, and in your final board examination. But here we will look at the very crucial point which is always being asked in your board examination, letter to the editor. Letter to the editor. So this is the format of letter to the editor. First of all, you can mention here, as I told you, date to the editor, address, and reference article which you wanted to publish. Here you have to give some outline of that articles. And next point, there would be body of the text of 3 or 8 lines containing 40 words to 100 words, and then after closing, yours sincerely, signature, full name, address, phone number, etc. So this is the format of letter to the editor, which is very popular and common, and always being asked in your examination. So try to prepare yourself on the basis of all these letter writing. And once again, I would like to say thank you for watching this video. I hope you will do something better one in your examination. Thank you very much.